Good day, my friends. Let's learn something new today.
Okay. Wow. That is like a very nice and happy picnic they're busy having over there. Let's have a look at past simple negatives and questions. And once again is made. Great. So let's have a look at what is the past or simple. Great. Let's have a look at it quickly. The past simple is completed actions in the past. Now the word such actions that has been done in the past, right? And of course, events that happened and are finished, right? They are done, over and done with. Okay, so that is the past simple. Great. Okay, she's supposed to be doing the homework. Ha ha ha. Now the guys is gonna have a look at it. Forming negatives. Right, I'm just gonna have a look at it. So, I, you, we, they. Once again, you see the I, you, we, they. It's grouped together. Did not plus the verb, huh? Or didn't for short. He, she, it. Once again, you can see he, she, it is all grouped together. Did not plus the verb. So, he, she, it did not work yesterday. Or I, you, we, they didn't work yesterday. Yeah, boy, huh? Not bad. Has gonna have look at it. Short form, of course, right? I, you, we, they, it didn't plus the verb. I've just given that to you just now. And of course, the short form of he, she, it didn't work, or she didn't work, or yeah, he didn't go, or whatever the case might be, righto. Okay, guys, that's just basically forming the negatives. Let's have a look. Forming questions. Yeah, boy, that's also very important, guys, because if you can ask questions, you can have a whole conversation. Right, when you're making a question, that always comes up in front, right? Did I work yesterday? Did you play tennis yesterday? Did you play football? Did they or did we eat pizza? Righto. Let's go have a look at the second one. Did he? Plus the verb. Did he eat pizza yesterday? Did she eat pizza this morning? Alright, great. Let's go have a look answering yes/no questions. Guys, one thing you must remember, and that is that if somebody asks you a question which is a yes/no answer, don't give a long story because the person is only looking for a yes/no answer. Let's go have a look at how to answer them correctly. Firstly, yes, I did, or yes, you did, or yes, they did. And you can see again, yes, I, you, we, they was all grouped together once again. Let's look at the next one. I, you, we, they, no, I didn't, no, they didn't. No, you didn't go to school yesterday. Look at the next one, right? Yes, he did. Yes, she did, right? And let's go to the next one. Right at the contraction of did not. No. No, he didn't. No, she didn't go to school yesterday, right? Guys, those are very important that you get all that there correct, right? So, okay, time to continue. Write the negatives. So, righto, it's also important to understand how to write the negatives properly. And as I say, you must pause the video so you know what's coming up. He played football, you must write a negative. She went to the store, you write a negative. They ate pizza, you write a negative over here. I advise you to take hold of your notebook once again, guys. And maybe just to write down this page over here. And answer the questions. And I'm going to give you a minute or two to answer the questions before we continue to check our answers.
Hey, you must pause the video.
Okay, I assume that you have checked your entire completed all your questions now and answered all of them all. Let's go and have a look at the answers, right? As we check the answers. The first one. you played football will be he didn't play football, alright? She went to the store would be she didn't go to the store. And of course, they didn't eat pizza. Right, guys? Please check your work. Make sure you've got it correct. And if you don't have it correct, maybe rewatch the video and try again. Okay, now that you've answered some questions, let's go and have a look at forming how to form questions. And once again, guys, I'm saying, yeah, pause the video. I'd like you to write it down in your notebook and then answer it to form the question. Write a question for each. Has she watched TV? Make the question for it. He finished his homework? Make the question for it. Guys, I'm going to give you a minute or two to write down all your answers, and then we'll continue watching the video again.
Hey, you must pause the video.
Great, I assume that you have answered all made all the questions over here. Let's go and have a look. Had to say over here, check the answers. Righto, let's go. The first one, she watched TV. The question will become, did she watch TV, right? The question will be, did he finish his homework? And of course, the last one will be, did they visit their grandparents? Righto, guys, hope you got it right. If you didn't, if you go back in the on the video, you will see exactly where I had explained this over here. It's easy, right? Okay, now you even know how to make questions, Righto, let's go and have a look at the real-life examples. The first one being scenario 1, a shopping trip. The dialogue would be, Anna says, or asks the question, did you buy the dress at the store yesterday? Beth, no, I didn't. Buy it. Anna, why didn't you buy it? It was too expensive. I didn't want to spend that much money. They've got a perfect dialogue to see questions and answers, right? And here, number 2, the dialogue. Weekend plans, Jason, did you go to the party last Saturday? Emily, no, I didn't go. Why not? I didn't feel well. I thought I might get sick. Righto, guys, as you can see once again, here is a perfect scenario of the past simple negative and questions, right? Let's go look at the last one, movie night. Did you watch the new action movie last week? No, I didn't watch it. Did you hear about it? Yes, but I didn't find the reviews very good, so I skipped it. Alright, guys, that is a lot of exercise, and if you go through this very nicely, you will be able to do what's coming. Okay, now you've got all the information that you basically need. Wow, what a nice puzzle, huh? I like building puzzles. What about you? Righto, guys, now let's go and have a look at what's coming. Wow. Complete these sentences with the verb in the negative. Righto. Now, guys, all I can suggest for you to do over here, and that is to use complete the sentences putting the verb in the negative. Let's do the first one together. I saw Jane, but I didn't see John. Okay? So I've given you the first one over here now. You take your notebooks and please do the rest in your notebook. I'm going to give you, like I say over here, pause the video once again. Now, so I'm going to pause the video, yeah. And let's take a couple of minutes and you answer them.
Hey, you must pause the video.
Okay, now that you have finished answering all the questions, let's continue and just go and check our answers, right? Like we say over here, check the answers. The first one I have given to you, right? Didn't see. Number 2, just gonna look, they worked hard on Monday, but they didn't work on Tuesday. Right? We can say they didn't work hard on Tuesday, right? We went to the shop, but we didn't go to the bank. She had a pen, but she didn't have any paper. Tim did karate at school, but he didn't do judo, right? Okay, karate and judo, I think you know what it is. If you don't know, it's a form of martial arts. Right. Guys, once again, if you didn't have them all correct, Please go back and watch the video once again and try once again until you can get it correctly. Okay, let's go and have a look. Cool. What's this? Oh my gosh. Okay, so more coming up. Right now, you was right. The questions was did. Okay, you've had some exercise already. There's just some more exercises to make sure that you know how to do it properly. The first one, once again, I'm going to give to you. Righto, I watched TV last night. How about you? Did you watch TV last night? Okay? Righto, now guys, take a notebook. Answer the others or make the questions for the others. And once you are done, we can check the answers once again. Oh, and of course, pause the video.
Hey, you must pause the video.
Okay, now that you have completed them all, let's go and we'll check our answers. Righto, the first one I gave to you just now while we hidden the questions, right? So let's go and have a look at the rest. I enjoyed the party. How about you? Gonna be quite simple. Did you enjoy the party? I had a good holiday. How about you? Did you have a good holiday? The next one. Did you finish your work early? Did you sleep well last night? Right, guys, you've got all the answers to them. Please check your work, and if you do not agree, if you had a mistake somewhere, like I said previously, go through the video once again, make sure you can answer that with the questions correctly. Okay. Let's go look at the key takeaways as we are reaching the end of the lesson. The first one. Formation of past simple negatives. To form a negative sentence in the past simple, we use an auxiliary verb, did, followed by not, or its contraction, didn't, before the base form of the main verb. Example, positive, she visited the museum. Negative, she did not visit the museum. Number 2. The formation of past simple questions. To form a question in the past simple, start with the auxiliary verb did, followed by the subject and the base form of the main verb. Example, statement, he played soccer. Question, did he play soccer? Let's look at the third one. The importance of did. Using did correctly is crucial for forming both negative sentences and questions in the past simple tense. It helps clarify that the action occurred in the past while maintaining the correct structural order. Remember, the main verb should always be in its base form. Infinitive without to, after did. Righto, guys, and of course, like always, practice, practice, practice. Guys, if you don't practice, you will never gain the confidence to speak nicely and to speak correctly. Only once you start gaining confidence when you speak correctly. Righto, guys, don't forget to buy me coffee.